So how would you like to not have to deal with data call after data call after data call in the Department of Defense or a large organization? Like, how would you like to save money? What if I could show you a way that you could save a ridiculous amount of time at almost every level in your organization? Would that be of any interest? Well, it was to the Department of Defense and the Chief Information Office. They were having data calls to collect information about satellites, about tactical communications, about a variety of different things, but they weren't the only ones doing that. There were about 3 or 4 other organizations, at least in the department, that was gathering the same data. And the service reps were going nuts trying to fill out these data calls, and they were frustrated because they're like, look, I just filled out one of these spreadsheets for this other organization over here, and now I'm getting another ping from this organization above at some other headquarters agency for the same data. Does that ever happen in large organizations in the commercial sector? All the time, right? So now that the department has DoD 365, and frankly the commercial sector has Office 365, right? This is no longer necessary. You can put centrally managed, single authoritative data sources in place at the enterprise level, and you can have people report into that just once. I mean, think about it. All those little data repositories that the services had stood up just to answer data calls on a quarterly or an annual basis completely went away, saved them tons of money and time. They also no longer had to deal with all the weird spreadsheets that consumed their time, and they didn't have access to everybody else's data in the other services, so they couldn't see how to be interoperable and see where the other services were at relative to them when they're trying to modernize. Now they can. Everything's in one place. They can hook into it with Power BI, build reports, filter and sort on it however you want, visualize the data however they need to visualize it, present it to their senior leaders, pretty real time. So reporting into this now becomes super simple too, because let's say Congress comes out and says, hey, I need to know this new thing that I didn't need to know before. And so we go out to get that information and we just add a couple fields to the same place they've always been going. They update those fields and the picture gets bigger and broader. So those are the kinds of things that this solution and this capability brings to the department, any organization that uses it. And ACES Group is great at putting these solutions together and building these complex data models in ways that simplify the problem dramatically for large organizations. So if there's anything that you think might be of value to you that revolves around this type of solution, please let us know.